Today we are going to discuss about consumer credit. What is a consumer credit? Okay, we are going to discuss three things: consumer credit, credit card, and debit cards. Okay, first we'll see what is consumer credit. Okay, it is defined as a money or a service provided to an individual for the payment. Okay, uh, a consumer credit can be a credit used by consumer to purchase non-investment goods or services that are consumed and whose value depreciate quickly. So any electronic items, consumer durables, home durables are coming under this category. And one more thing, consumer credit are used to purchase non-investment items. So what we mean by is these are consumed daily and it is depreciates very quickly. If you take your mobile phone, the value of the mobile phone by Apple is 3 years. The company says that the Apple value depreciation by 3 years. So, what is consumer credit? What are the other uses of consumer credit? It is includes for buying of automobiles, recreation vehicles, education, boats, trailer loans. Uh, Except for real estate, all the things will come under consumer credit. So, credit cards. So, what is a credit card? A credit card is a small plastic card issued by a bank or business, allowing holder to purchase goods or services on credit. It allows the card holders to pay for goods and services based on holders' promise to pay for them. The issue of the card creates an revolving account and grants a line of credit to consumer from which user can borrow money for payment to the merchant or a cash advance to the user. Okay. What are the types of credit card available? We have standard credit card, we have balanced credit cards, we have reward credit cards, we have charged credit cards, we have business credit card and secured credit cards. So what is a standard credit card? Standard credit card means it's called a plain vanilla credit card because it does not have any offers or rewards. Okay, so credit card holders allow users to buy and sell. Okay, buy for credit. Okay, whenever consumer makes an purchase, okay, and they have to pay in a certain period of amount. Okay, financial charges are applied on outstanding balance at the end of each month. That is called interest. And the credit card has to be paid with the interest. If the consumers are not paying automatically, the late payments fees also will be applicable. This is what we call standard credit card. Then we have balanced credit card. Okay, balance credit card means sometimes consumer able to transfer money into this credit card and use this amount for later deduction from the account. This is what we call balance credit card. Okay, then what is a secured credit card? The option for people who do not have a credit history or who have damaged credit. That means whenever in India we talk about, it's called CIBIL score. Okay, CIBIL score is it tracks your financial terms related to loans. If the consumers are have a good credit, automatically they have a better chance of getting a credit card, debit card, and loans. If you don't have a proper credit balance in CIBIL, you will not be able to secure the loan. So what we do is we offer them secured credit card. This also will give them a better chance of doing the business. Okay, then we have business credit card. This kind of credit card is specifically used for business peoples. Okay, how credit card process is taking place? Okay, how credit card process is taking place? First, customer pays with the credit card. That information will go into merchant machine. That machine using internet goes to the client. From client, it goes to the processing bank server. From banking boss server, it goes to the bank account. From bank account, it automatically transfer to the customer account. From customer account, it will automatically transfer to the trader account. This is how the process of payment takes place in credit cards. So what is the advantage and disadvantages of a credit card? So if you take a credit card, it is convenient. It has a good record keeping. You can get instantly cash available. and build a positive credit in CIBIL score if consumers are using properly. And last one is purchasing protect. Instead of using cash for large amount, you can use credit card. But what is the disadvantage? People tend to overuse. There are direct and indirect costs involved in credit card, unexpected fees, late fees, interest on fees that are there, and disadvantages. Another disadvantage is the customer's debt also will plays an important role in credit card, and there is something called teaser rate. When the customer is not able to pay, additional interest is paid. Okay, now we will talk about debit cards. Now, what is a debit card? Exactly like a credit card. It is also a card issued by the bank, allowing the holder to transfer money electronically to other banks whenever making a purchase. But what is the difference between a credit card and debit card is, in credit card, you will not have any balance amount. In debit card, you should have a balance in the account. Then only you can use the debit card. Okay, and debit card can be used majority in ATMs to withdraw cash for the emergency use. Okay, what are the types of debit card available? We have pin only debit card, dual card, EBT card, and prepaid cards. What is a pin only card? Okay, pin only card means every debit card will have a pin. Okay, every debit card will have a pin. There will be a 4-digit pin. Whenever you're going to use that debit card, you have to use that PIN number. Then only you can access the account. Second one, dual use card. Dual use card is additional security for your card. Here, your signature and PIN also will be enabled so that consumer can be protected. Then we have prepaid cards. Instead of using your account money, you can load the cash into this card. Based on this amount, you can use this amount. Then we have EBT card. EBT means electronic benefit transfer. Whenever you're going to use it, this EBT cards is used by all the governments to transfer money directly into the account. Okay, what is the advantages and disadvantages of debit card is? One is prepaid card, so you don't have to overuse. Then it is an alternative for cash. You don't have to carry cash every time. Okay, immediate transfer of funds. That means instead of you going and visiting a bank and waiting for the line, you can transfer the cash immediately. And cash also can be withdrawn in any bank ATMs. Okay, then we have control on limit, how much you can spend. But what is the disadvantages? You have to maintain a record keeping. Okay, convenience is guaranteed, but the risk level is also there. Then we have a hidden fees for every debit card. Then there are a lot of internet based scams happening related to debit cards, and safety is a major issue for debit cards. Okay, thank you.